This conference will now be recorded.
Yes.
Okay. So we have only 2 people. Okay. Just a moment. We will start in just 5 minutes, team. So we'll talk about today HTTP connector in detail. Nupur, do you have any questions on based on yesterday's class? Have you installed all the softwares?
Hello, Shrika.
Yeah. Did you install all the softwares?
Yeah, I installed it, and but after that, that's why I was asking if you are available right now. Um, After that, that folder,
Mm-hmm.
I have to install that on the C drive, right?
Yes, we
Which
drive or D
file
drive
to
anything.
click from there?
Any pointer, just let me show you.
Yeah, please.
Once you extract the folder,
Yeah, I didn't extract. I'll just
go to
extract it. I opened the folder though. I'll extract the folder.
okay. Once you extract it, it will be look like this. Okay. Click on this icon, Anypoint Studio. Okay.
Hold on,
Double click
let me.
on there.
Hold on 1 minute. It's extracting. Okay. No, so yeah, go ahead. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So once you double click on that, it will ask you for the folder location where you want to write your code. Just click on OK button. That's it.
Just click on the
So
C
do you
drive.
have
And
any
then after
questions?
that, I install an unexpected error is keeping you copying the file if you continue to receive the error. Is this your
Just
machine or
click
my
on OK.
machine?
Just click on OK. That's it.
No, I was not installing right now. I was just extracting it.
Yeah, in extracting also there is a problem
Yeah, it
because
comes
of
an
the length of the
unexpected.
file.
Okay. So I just do
Just click on
skip
OK.
this
Yep.
try. Now there is another one came up. Set event properties editor. Path too long.
Okay.
Unexpected error 4, 5, 6 error 7. Wow.
Just skip to just apply for everything,
No, it's
and we'll
not.
see.
Do this for all current items. Okay. The file name would be too long for the destination folder. You can shorten the file name and try again, or try a location that has a shorter path. Should I
Where you
skip that
are,
one too?
can you share your screen? Okay, let
Yes. Hold
me
on.
give you that.
Yeah, give me the access.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Do this for all current.
I did earlier again, and now this is coming up again. I hope it is
Okay.
good.
Yeah, then it's done.
Should I install Java 2 now or later? Like I have Java
Yeah, you
installed,
have
but I
to.
did not run it.
Yeah, it's okay. Don't run it anything else. Oh, okay. Yeah, double click it. Yep.
I have to run that, right? First.
Yep. Satish, did you install the softwares?
Do you want to allow this app to make changes to the device? Yes,
Yes, I
Anu.
have it.
Okay.
Do you want to allow the app to change the
Just
device?
a minute.
Yes, right?
Yes. 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 Yes.
I think it did. It's done.
It's installed.
Hold
Almost.
on. Sorry.
It's okay. It's
Development
okay.
tool, right?
Yes. Click on blindly. Yep. Vishwanath, did you install the MuleSoft and Java versions in your system?
Yes, Shrikant, I'm done. I'm done with few practices as well.
Oh, great. Yeah, great. So today what we will do is I will walk you through the HTTP connector, listener connector in detail. What is the purpose and where we are going to use and all. Once we are done with that, tomorrow I will explain the database connector. Okay. After these two connectors, I will explain you the transform message component. After these three, I will explain each and every component level by extending these project to other scopes and components and message processors level. Okay, so first, from today onwards, very much important, because so far we did the demo classes and simple projects and all. So today onwards I will walk you through connectors and transform message data view concepts. Okay, so
Okay.
all these are all will take 20 days. Okay, each and every concept, each and every component we are going to discuss from the database connector level, each and every operation, and VM level, each and every operation, and file, each and every operations. Like, so each and every day we'll explore one operation from one connector along with business cases. Okay, and if you have time, then I will explain you the data view concepts accordingly. Okay, so once you install, I think everybody is installed. By the time
Okay,
it is
continue with
installed,
the
yeah,
class. I will install this.
yeah.
It'll keep installing.
Okay, okay, I'm taking back, or you can give it to me,
Yeah.
the presentation.
I think I don't know how to give it back to you. If you can take it.
Make a presenter, just a moment. I'm also organizer. Make presenter myself. Okay,
Okay.
so I hope you are able to see my screen, right? So let's create a simple project. You can give any name as you require. So in my case, I'm giving a very simple project name, MuleSoft Training Day 1 HTTP connector. Ah, okay. Just click on the finish button. So these are the runtimes will help you to transform the human understandable language to the system understandable language. Okay, these are the versions, either
Your voice is breaking.
version based on your project or based on
Shrikant, your voice is breaking.
your organization.
Hello. Shrikant. Hello.
You can configure accordingly. Okay,
Hello,
So Mule.
Shrikant. Hello. Shrikant. Hello.
Is there any way can we send him that? I mean, there's no chat window, right?
Your voice
Your
is
voice
breaking.
is,
I have
yeah, your
very
voice is
low
breaking,
bandwidth.
Shrikant.
Yeah,
Shrikant, whatever you said
very
earlier,
my
all broke up.
band. I will repeat. I will repeat it. I will repeat it. Okay. Just give me 2 minutes. Let me
Yeah,
my
sure.
connection restore.
Okay.
Seems to be very low bandwidth. Seems to be. There is a bandwidth fluctuation. I don't know why. Very slow internet. Team, can you give me 2 minutes so that I will
Yeah, go ahead.
restart my Wi-Fi router?
Yeah.
Okay. Give me 1 minute. Let me restart my internet. Okay, seems to be a little bit.
Hello. 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 Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Who's there?
Hello. Yeah, this is Satish. Is Srikanth online? I mean, he came back and
Shrikant.
then I lost him.
No, Shrikant has some internet issue, so he's logging in again. So give him 2-3 minutes.
Oh, oh, is he logging in like the third
Yeah.
time?
Yeah,
He
he's
came back.
trying to log in. Yeah.